Cleanest way to replace Np.Array value with Np.Nan by user-defined index. One question about mask 2D Np.Array data. For example, 1 2D Np.Array value in the shape of 20 by 20. An index, t equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12, 13. How to mask the 2D array value by the y, x in index. Usually, replacing with Np.Nan are based on the specific value like y equals 7 equals Np.Nan. On my example, I want to replace the value specific location with Np.Nan. For now, I can do it by creating a new array value underscore mask in the shape of 20 by 20. Loop the value and testify the location by I, j, equals t, k. If true, value underscore mask, j, equals value, I, j, inverse, value underscore mask, j, equals Np.Nan. My method was too bulky especially for Hue data, 3 levels of loop. Are there some efficiency method to achieve that? Any advice would be appreciated.
You are nearly there. You can pass arrays of indices to arrays. You probably know this with 1D arrays. With a 2D array you need to pass the array a tuple of lists, one tuple for each axis, one element in the lists, which have to be of equal length, for each array element you want to choose. You have a list of tuples. So you have just to transpose it. Gives you the right shape of your index array, which you can now use as index for any assignment, for example, value t1 equals Np.Nan. There are lots of nice explanation of this trick with zip and asterisk in Python tutorials if you don't know it yet.
You can use np.logical_an. You can select by location. This is just an example location. You can create a mask the same shape as ARR. Then you can use the np.logical_an. And finally, you can replace the ones with the Np.Nan.
If you want to support the channel,